Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Jameel Noori font to Photoshop. To get started, you'll first need to download the Jameel Noori font. You can find it by doing a quick search online and choosing a reliable source to download from. Once the file is downloaded, it will likely be in a zip format. Right-click on the file and choose Extract All. Make sure to check Show Extracted Files when complete. Then click Extract. After you've extracted the font, look for the actual font file. It will be in OpenType format or TrueType format. If there are multiple font files, right-click on each of them and select Install. This will automatically add the font to your system. Once the installation is done, open Photoshop. You can now use the Jameel Noori font in any of your designs. That's it for adding the Jameel Noori font in Photoshop. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.